Hello, 5th graders. We're continuing our unit on Earth systems today. Our learning target, I am learning how the 4 Earth systems are influenced by each other. Our success criteria, I can list the 4 Earth systems and explain what they include. And I can develop a model to show interactions and influences between 2 Earth systems. In previous lessons, we've learned to identify Earth systems and their characteristics. You remember that systems are a group of parts that work together. You may have heard the word system in science class before when learning about ecosystems or body systems. The Earth is a very large and complex system of air, water, rock, and life that interact with each other. Almost any event on Earth will involve at least 2, if not all 4, of the Earth's spheres. Let's look at an example of system interaction with volcanoes. In 2013, the Pavlov volcano in Alaska started to erupt. In addition, giving off lava, melted rock, it also sent volcanic ash, very sharp and small rock pieces, into the air. Pictures taken from the International Space Station show the ash spreading through the air for hundreds of kilometers across the Earth's surface. So which of the 2 systems were most involved in the interaction described above? In the first paragraph, we see that the volcano erupted lava and volcanic ash, which we know are part of the Earth and the geosphere. In the second paragraph, we notice that ash spreading through the air. Air, we know, is part of the atmosphere. So which system affected the other? What was the cause? What happened first? Well, what happened first is the volcano erupted. The system and its parts involved with the eruption of the volcano included the geosphere, with parts involved being the volcano, ash, and lava. Let's look at the effect of the volcano erupting. What happened next? Well, the volcanic ash went into the air. And the parts involved, along with the system, included the atmosphere, and the parts included the air. Let's look at another example together. How about the system interaction that occurs with droughts? Droughts occur when there is a shortage of water due to a long amount of time with low rainfall. From 2010 to 2013, a major drought occurred in Texas, Mexico, and other surrounding areas. The water shortage affected the crops that were able to grow in the area. Texas farmers lost billions of dollars because of crop and livestock losses. Turn to the partner and discuss which 2 systems were most involved in the interaction described above. Pause the video and resume when you're ready. Welcome back. We know that there was a water shortage. Water deals with the hydrosphere, and so it a water shortage. It affected the crops, and there was crops and livestock losses. Crops and livestock belong in the biosphere because they're alive. So which system affected the other? Think of the cause and then the effect. Think of what happened first and its system and parts, and what happened next with its system and parts. Pause the video and talk with your partner and fill out the graphic organizer below. Resume the video when you're ready. Welcome back. So what was the cause? What happened first with our system interaction related to droughts? The amount of rainfall decreased. The system and its parts related to the amount of rainfall decreasing was the hydrosphere, and the parts was water or rain. Now we need to look at the effect of what happened by a decreased rainfall. What happened next? Plants and crops died. The system that related to plants and crops dying and its parts are related to the biosphere, and the parts include plants, crops, and livestock. Great job today with your partner. Let's look at the final story. Show what you learned today. This is your exit ticket for today's lessons on Earth systems and their interaction. We'll read the paragraph together, and then you'll complete the following below. Landslides occur when large amounts of rock and soil slide down a steep slope. They happen most frequently along coastlines and areas with mountains. The picture is of a landslide in California from 2005. There are different things that could cause a landslide, but one cause is very heavy rainfall. The soil gets soaked with water, which makes it slide more easily. In fact, some people call this type of landslide a mud flow. So independently, please circle the two systems that were most involved in the interaction described above. And then fill out the graphic organizer discussing the cause and the effect and how the systems affected each other. Great job today. I look forward to our next class.